Today is October 10th. Yesterday we finished the making the joint, connecting all the joint together for the gutters, and today we adjust the height, the slope, and then clean the gutter. So as you can see, it's clean and not much water left. Basically all the water flow to the where we want, which is the center. You see that hole, pretty good. So we see this side. Next we're gonna connect the drain, the drain and the pipe going back to the soap reservoir, and then also we are gonna connect the soap liquid feeding tube to the top. So anyway, still lots of work to do. Basically electrical, water lines, that sort of thing, and then we can place the bubble generator over to the top, and we'll probably going to apply the inner cover first, and then test everything. When there's no problem, then the last thing we will just apply the external cover. Okay, this is the door we purchased second-hand, still in good condition, but there's some concrete remove. Outside look, pretty good condition. That's the bottom. This is the top. Xiaofeng is removing the concrete block. So we plan to install the door, external door, on the outside, and then for the inside we are thinking of using the a curtain door. So the curtain door using magnet, to close and open. So we're gonna use that because this is Qingdao, not very cold in the winter. So we should be okay. Rarely we have minus below zero temperatures, so once in a while we have that condition. So that's why we make the cavity thickness to be 30 centimeters instead of half meter, in the case of 五大连池 PyraPOD. So because this is Qingdao, the weather is relatively good in winter. Anyway, this is it, getting there. We are welding the frame for the door. We have the door there.